Zoeurva Cooling Ace is marketed as a portable air conditioner that supposedly cools rooms quickly, lowers electricity costs, and delivers powerful cooling from a compact device. But the real question is, what does the marketing not tell you? Now, to be fair, portable cooling devices are real products. Small fans and evaporative coolers can create airflow and help people feel more comfortable. What it does well: portable and lightweight. Small cooling devices are easy to move between bedrooms, desks, and workspaces. Uses less electricity than a full AC unit. Compact cooling products naturally consume less power. Where the concerns start appearing, it is likely not a true air conditioner. This is the biggest issue. Many cooling A-style products function more like fans or evaporative coolers rather than compressor-based AC systems. Cooling is usually localized. You may feel cooler near the device without significantly reducing room temperature. Room cooling claims can be unrealistic. Tiny devices generally cannot perform like traditional air conditioners. So, what does the marketing not tell you? Short answer: it may cool you, but probably not your entire room. You may get personal airflow and nearby comfort, but expecting full air-conditioned performance is likely unrealistic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.